Couple of MLS Cups. Push back to Park. Returning home, played at Downington High School, also at Drexel University. Daniel. Look at this ball in for the two! Le Toux! 1-0 Union. He's back.
And this ball, it's all about, this goal is all about this ball by Keon Daniel. Sebastien Le Toux able to peel off the center back off of Beasler. Great first touch and a great finish. What a ball by Keon Daniels. What a first touch by Sebastien Le Toux. And are you kidding me? What? You couldn't write a better script than this if you're a Philadelphia Union fan.